The Massca Twin Pocket Hole Jig Kit, the newest jig on the market. Adjustable and easy to use for any joinery, woodworking, quick fixes, or DIY projects. Let's take a look inside. Our kit comes with our twin pocket hole jig, a user manual, the 5 most commonly used pocket hole screws, hex key, stop collar, a drill bit, and a square driver. Our kit is also convenient to use on the go. Now, let's measure the actual thickness of your wood. Grab the end piece of your Massca jig and flip it over to get a good hold on your lumber. When you've placed it on your wood, measure the thickness of your wood piece. This piece is 3/4 of an inch thick. Now, let's set up your drill bit. Align the shoulder of the drill against the depth setting gauge to match the wood thickness. Tighten the stop collar, ensuring it is seated against the drill bit piece. Now, let's start drilling some pocket holes. Grab your clamp and clamp down your jig and your wood piece to your table. Grab your drill along with the drill bit inserted, and you're ready to start drilling. Now, let's talk about screws. Since the wood that we're going to be working with today is 3/4 of an inch thick, the pocket hole screw that we're going to need is going to be a 1 1/4 inch length.